Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell with your July add-on kits. So we have a cardstock, a pattern paper, and embellishment add-on that goes with your Flavors of the Month kit. So if you haven't already checked out the Flavors of the Month, I'll have a link at the end of this video. You can click on that and see everything that's going to come in this month's kit. The add-ons are a perfect way to make your kits go even further and to just increase your stash if you're building up an inventory right now. And I simply cannot resist pretty pattern paper and embellishments for sure. And if you love making your layouts on cardstock or doing digital die cuts, things like that, then you're definitely going to want the cardstock add-on. So let's take a closer look at each one of these add-ons available. Starting with our cardstock add-on, you're going to receive 3 sheets of cardstock that coordinate with each one of the 4 collections. So you can see here with the pattern paper how well they match in colors, and it's just going to give you so much more product to work with. For the Bella Boulevard Fireworks and Freedom, you're going to receive 1 sheet of Lagoon and 2 sheets of denim. For the photoplay paper, Squeeze in Some Fun, you're going to get 1 sheet of Cascade and 2 sheets of Lemon. For the pink paisley, indigo, and ivy, you're going to get a sheet of graphite and 2 sheets of tutu pink. And then for Simple Stories Cruisin', you're going to get a sheet of pomegranate and 2 sheets of whirlpool. Having them laid out like this also gives you an idea of the color schemes in the different collections and how you might kind of pull some of the pattern papers or embellishments or cardstock from one to the other collection. So don't think you have to stay just within each collection, but kind of look through your entire kit and see what you can pull together. Next up, for our patterned paper add-on, you're going to receive 2 sheets of additional pattern paper for each one of the 4 collections. So none of these will be repeats of what you received in your Flavors of the Month, but 2 additional pattern papers. So starting with Bella Boulevard Fireworks and Freedom, we have this one. That's a stripe, and it has some little dots as well as the star stripe. And the back are these borders. So we have ice cream and then the phrases, as well as some stripes and fireworks. And the banner is super cute. This paper is called Borders. Then we have this gorgeous floral on the light blue, and the back is the fireworks in the dark blue. So this one is called Boom Boom. For our photoplay paper, Squeeze in Some Fun, we have this one called Summer Lovin', which has the flip-flops and the little flamingo floaty, a bathing suits, sunglasses, and the lemons, of course. The back is this rainbow ombre. I think this is gorgeous. This would make a beautiful background for a layout. We have this paper called Lemonade, which is lemons on that blue-green. And the back is the blue-green polka dot on a little bit darker green. For pink paisley, indigo, and ivy, we have this gorgeous watercolor navy floral. And the back is this gorgeous wood grain, and it has from the gray to just tints of that blue. Then we have another wood grain. This one's paper 8. And the back is a beautiful pink watercolor. Both of those have full branding strips, so you'll be able to use those on your projects as well. And then from Simple Stories Cruisin', we have this one with all of the nautical flags. And the back is a compass in the turquoise. Then we have this one called Ahoy, which has all of the sayings from any kind of cruise or ship. And the back is a yellow and white broad stripe. So one more look at your pattern papers. Just beautiful, beautiful papers. So be sure to get those added to your Flavors of the Month. Next, for your embellishment add-on, for the Bella Boulevard Fireworks and Freedom collection, you're going to get a 1/4 a pack of the ephemera words. So there's all kinds of little phrases. So these will vary among the kits, but This is what was in mine, so it'll give you a good idea of what you could be receiving. So again, 1/4 a pack of those. For the photo play paper, Squeeze in some fun, you're going to receive a pack of the ephemera. So I will flip this over on the back so you can kind of see all that, and then I'll lay it out. But there are some frames and some tags, some tabs, and some little banners, word labels. So it is chock full of embellishments. For the pink paisley, indigo, and ivy, you're going to receive 1/3 a pack of the mixed embellishments. So these will vary as well, but I got some wood veneer, some heart enamel shapes, a gold word, and then a pack of sequins in that dark navy blue and gold. It's really pretty. You can even pull those over into this 4th of July collection as well. And then for Simple Stories Cruisin', you're going to get the 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheet. So we have this black and white diagonal stripe, scalloped border, tabs, word labels, all of the circle icons that we saw on the patterned paper, that cute little crab, a lighthouse, the little nautical flag banner. So lots and lots of options to create some embellishment clusters. So that is a look at the embellishment add-on. Be sure to check all of those out as well as the other kits available in the shop. Check out the video links at the end here so that you can see more kits available. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click subscribe and that notification bell, and you'll be notified when new videos are released. And we'd love to hear in the comments down below which collection is the first one you're going to start with when you receive your flavors of the month. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.